Yeah, what's up, everybody? JC King, Real FOREX King, back for another weekly Forex forecast for the week of November 29th to December 4th. So next week's the first week of December. Year's about to end. Let's see how the year ends. And next week is NFP week, so we're gonna see how the market moves. So first thing we do, look at Force Factory, look at the calendar. We see the news event for Sunday, which is not too much going on. A lot of loan pack news coming off this Thanksgiving weekend. Now we have Monday, which there's a lot of news events for Monday, as you can see. It's going to be all day OPEC meetings and then aids in session. It's going to be a lot of news for AUD for the cash rate and the RBA rate statements. Then we get in Tuesday, a lot of news events, and then we got a lot of news events for the USD dollar, for the Fed chair power testifies and the ISM manufacturing PMI. So it's gonna be a lot of volatility between the USD pair. So be cautious. And also trading AUD pair to AUD session is gonna be some news events, GDP, RBA Gov, low speaks. And then Wednesday, a lot of low impact news. There's high impact news for the Fed chair power testifies. Then Thursday, a lot of low impact news events for real. Maybe some medium news, impact news for ISM service PMI and unemployment claims. So it'll affect the USD dollar if you trade those pairs. And now we have, for Friday, we have a lot of news because of NFP. We have news affect the Canadian dollar and as well as the USD pairs. A lot of employment change, unemployment rate, non-farm employment change. So just be careful trading these events on Friday. And now let's look at them charts. But before we look at chart, look at investing.com. Always go here to see what's happening with news events. Let's go to coronavirus, see what's going on. So coronavirus, you see affecting NFL teams. You hear stuff about the vaccines and all that, and any issues with the trials, because there's going to be a lot of stuff happening next year with the whole vaccinating and vaccination that's going to be around. So it's going to affect the market, as you can see. So now let's look at these currency pairs. Let's look at Bitcoin. So right now, Bitcoin is on a rise. As you can see, we're on a slight uptrend. We're going to test, we're looking at the forward chart. We're going to test an area of support, which is here. Well, this was support that was broken. Now it's become resistance. So we're going to test the area of resistance. I rejected off the support area. And now we're testing this area of resistance. And we break this area, we'll shoot back up to like the 1900 area to create potential new highs. And Bitcoin's on the rise this year, as you can see. So this week, I do see a trend for Bitcoin. I do see the market potentially, continue, come back down, play around the zone, and shoot back up. So that's what I see for this week, an uptrend still. And let's look at AUD USD. So AUD USD, right now, looking for a chart, we are on a slight area of resistance, you could say. Because right here, the zone on the higher time frame was like a sell zone. So the market likes to reject around this area for sells. I do see the market potentially coming down, rejecting back off this support area and shooting back up. If we break the zone, we're going to create newer highs. So this week, I do see still overall uptrend. I know there's a lot of news events for AUD this week. That's probably going to be impacted in the zone area. So the news could cause the market to potentially, shoot up, or it could make it shoot back down, depending on the news events. If it shoot back down, breaks the trend line, we're going to be in the zone area where it can decide to reject and come back up, and then shoot back up. But those are the possibilities for AUD USD, but overall still uptrend. And then GBP USD, let's look at that. So pretty much last week on Friday, it ended kind of like a little downtrend. There's a lot of consolidation in the zone area. Trading this pair. As you can see, right now I'm on the hour chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. So there's a lot of noise, as you can see, in this area. A lot of consolidation. We're still in an uptrend. So I do see the market potentially coming back and shooting back up, creating a higher high for GBP USD going into this week. So that's what I see. Uptrend moves. But if it doesn't, it might just come back down here and then shoot back up. So this is a great possibility because this area here is decent area where it could reject and then shoot back up. But we're still overall uptrend. Now let's look at GPJPY. Look right now it's a forward chart. As you see, it's slightly started to drop down last week a little bit. I do see it retracing back up for uptrend, so the market could legitly come back down around this area. So this area had a lot of noise in the past. This area here is like a strong demand zone. So the market could literally come back down here and then shoot all the way back up. So let's say if it comes down here, it breaks the area resistance, and then plays around support. It could decide to come back up, or another possibility, if it comes back down here, we could literally shoot back up. And it's NFP week, so anything can happen. And then let's look at XRP. So XRP is on uptrend. Right now, cryptocurrency is on uptrend. Definitely buy. We should be going past 75 cents this month or coming up in December. So right now, Bitcoin, if it comes back down here, look for buy opportunities. Right now, it could literally come back up. It could literally play around here and shoot back up. And then come back down before it shoots back up. That's what I see. It potentially coming to this 73 cents zone area or 75 cents zone area this upcoming week. Just being on a mindful when you trade cryptocurrency because it's very volatile. So I do see it to potentially come up. So that's that. So that's pretty much it. Pretty much it for this week. The prayers I'm looking at. So trade what you see, now what you think. You already know we out here. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace.